What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another highly combustible reaction. It's Hadestown time. Hey, little songbird, the animatic. Get over and show Seal Batross all the love in the world. We're already subbed up. We already smashed the like button. Always go show the animators the love. Let's see what we got. We need the CCs.
Hey, little songbird, give me a song. I'm a busy man, and I can't stay long.
No way. The last one, everything was spiraling out of control. Now I'm assuming, I know it's Hades, but I'm assuming he's talking to Eurydice now because everything was spiraling out. Everybody's at odds with everybody. What better time to pick your new person since Persephone don't want you? No.
I got clients
No.
to call, I got orders to fill, I got walls to build, I got riots to quell, and they're giving me hell back in Hades. Hey, little songbird, cat got your tongue. Always a pity for one so pretty and young. When poverty comes to clip your wings and knock the wind right out of your lungs, ain't nobody sings on empty.
Strange is the call of this strange man. I wanna fly down and feed at his hand. I want a nice soft place to land. I wanna lie down forever.
Hey, little songbird, you got something fine. You'd shine like a diamond.
He caught her at exactly the time. He's gonna promise her all kinds of the things that she's looking for. This is not good. Caught her at her most weak and vulnerable time. Her man is focused writing the song and not paying any attention to the current crisis that they're in.
Down in the mine, and the choice is yours if you're willing to choose. Seeing as you've got nothing to lose, and I could use a canary.
Suddenly, nothing is as it was. Where are you now, Orpheus? Wasn't it gonna be the two of us? Weren't we birds of a feather?
Hey, little songbird, let me guess. He's some kind of poet, and he's penniless. Give him your hand, he'll give you his hand to mouth. He'll write you a poem when the power is out. Hey, why not fly south for the winter? Hey, little song.
No.
Look all around here. See how the vipers and vultures surround you. And they'll take you down. They'll pick you clean. If you stick around such a desperate scene, see, people get mean when the chips are down.
The devil's got a very sharp tongue. No, you're not even gonna show me what choice she made? Don't give in. No. That's not where I saw the spiral going at all. I did not expect him to come up there and poach her. Though I guess it makes sense considering his don't want him. What the hell? Taking advantage of a vulnerable young woman. Get over, show Seal Batross all the love in the world. Absolutely fantastic animatic. Hit the like button if you liked it. The dislike button, but I won't believe you. I will see you on the next one. Till then, I'm highly combustible. You guys be happy, healthy, safe. I love you to the moon and back. Peace.